This one's random baby. Let me out. He's like, I'll laugh more if you let me out. He's like, get me out of here, Mom. Put me in the dryer. Put me in the dryer, baby dryer. No, this is you. So? No, I don't want to put him there. It's big. Okay, I have an issue. I can't put him in the dryer. Oh, no, we can't put you in the dryer. We can turn off the lights and see what the hell we were doing. Wow! Solve it. Wow! Skylar, Skylar. Skylar, Skylar. Hi. Skylar. Anyway, enough of that. Okay, well, say goodbye to the laughing baby. Bye.